Hey people, so it feels so nice to have these rabbits in this park. Their parents are here, and as in, Ayush, where is Tara?
Oh wait,
Where's Tara? Tara, the grey and white.
I see her.
Where? Oh, she's sitting there. So it just feels nice to see children feel so happy being with the pets. And this one is so busy, that one white one, Chudu. Ammo, how much they are running. We can't keep up with them. Ammo, see that exercise. It's just so much fun, yeah. Oh, yeah. That is Theodore. Tara, ekkada? Where is Tara? She's sitting there, huh? Under the
Motorcycle.
Yeah, hello Theo. Put him on the
Slide.
Yeah, try Kunna, but only thing they will oh, this is the mummy. Yeah, they're like Ammo, see the speed. I can't keep up.